What's good, y'all? It's your boy Tricky Trey back with another video. Don't mind my pimple, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to hide that right now. Nigga, I just want to come on here real quick to thank y'all for 100 subscribers. At the time of this recording, we are at 105 subscribers right now. As y'all can see, I've been kind of slacking low key. As y'all can see, I only got about 500 views in the last 28 days. I've been slacking, but I came on here as well to let you guys know that today is the start of me posting every single day. Nah, I'm just playing, y'all. I ain't posting every single day, but I am about to start posting every other day. Still haven't made up my mind. I want to go for every other day, or I post one day, I skip 2 days, post a video, skip 2 days, post a video. You know what I'm saying? So y'all let me know in the comments what you guys want. You know what I'm saying? Y'all the viewers, y'all viewing my videos, y'all watching my videos. Y'all let me know what y'all want as you know, the viewers. Do me a favor, just type in the comment section real quick if y'all want me to post every other day or every other day. You know what I'm saying? So I can get that out for y'all. I'm really finna start grinding. You know what I'm saying? Cause I know I've been slacking. I know I really ain't been putting in all the work that I really would like to. But man, work be work. And then when I get off work, I be trying to put in time and effort to do these videos, but I can't just put 100% in a video or into whatever I want to do because I'm not 100% myself. You know what I'm saying? If you get what I'm saying, you get what I'm saying. But I low-key be procrastinating at the same time, though, honestly. I ain't gonna come on here and just front like I'm just, you know what I'm saying, just so perfect and I try to do this and that every single day. You know what I'm saying? We all got them times when we just want to just chill, you know what I'm saying? But I'm done chilling. I'm done being complacent. I'm done settling, honestly. You know what I'm saying? I just wanna work towards something every day. I just wanna every day y'all gonna see my face on something, whether it's YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, whatever. Oh, and also y'all, I just wanted to come on here as well and let you guys know that I am about to get a PC set up in my other room. I already got it ordered and stuff. I'll put a picture up right here just so y'all can see what kind I'm getting and the specs and stuff like that. But I already ordered it and everything. It's on the way right now. I'm hoping that it low-key can come a little faster because I ordered it like maybe like 4 or 5 days ago now, but you know what I'm saying, I'm still waiting. I got Reeves going crazy right now. It's the first quarter. Reeves just knocked down 2 threes back to back. But yeah, so yeah, I'm waiting on that PC. I ordered the PC, I ordered a new monitor, and I ordered and the PC came with a mouse and keyboard. Ooh, they going back to back threes on them. Hold on. This game finna go crazy, y'all. No cap. Y'all know what I just realized? I ain't never really show y'all this room. I don't think so. I don't think this room is in any of my videos. So yeah, this is my room. As y'all know, the blue room is my game/work room. So yeah, my PC setup gonna be in there. I'm gonna have a nice, crazy PC. Y'all just seen all the specs and how much it costs. You know what I'm saying? I spent a pretty penny. I'm not gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to invest in myself, honestly. Invest in my work. And I feel like if I get the PC, it's gonna make me want to work a little harder. You know what I'm saying? Because right now I got a MacBook or whatever. But I just feel like this little screen is just not enough for me to be editing every single day and stuff like that. But, you know, I've been editing on a MacBook for about like a year now, or since I really started my YouTube channel like a couple years ago. But you know, I feel like once I get my PC, I can hold on. Okay, I thought Reeves was finna hit another three. My fault, y'all. I feel like once I get on a bigger screen and I can actually like be comfortable sitting down, I got space to move the mouse on the on my desk and stuff, you know, I feel like it'll be a little easier. But I feel like the MacBook is just like it's too close. I can't really be comfortable and do that. You know what I'm saying? All the time. So yeah, I'm getting that shipped. I'm having a video on that as soon as that, gets here, of course. But yeah, man, that's enough talking. I know y'all ready to get into this video. I hope y'all enjoy the video, like the video, keep subscribing to the channel, everything like that. And yeah, man, I hope y'all have a great day. No cap. What's good, y'all? Welcome to another cooking video. We're gonna be cooking some gumbo. My family is from the south side of the world, you know what I'm saying? New Orleans and stuff like that. My granny from Texas. We enjoy eating stuff like this. So right here, y'all, we got what is it called again?
This is our roux right here.
So this is our roux. It's bell peppers, onions, celery, and garlic. So we got that in both of them.
Right. So we mixed and pre-made it already since it's a little work involved in it.
Yeah. So we got this roux going right here. We got our things right here as well. It's already cut up and everything, so we just finna be going on from this step. We finna just carry it on from here, cause I'm like, you know what I'm saying, might as well. Right here, we finna be doing most of the work today, so yeah, let's get this camera set up.
So as oil begins to heat up a little bit in here,
yeah,
you let it heat up just slightly.
Okay.
Then we'll pour all the roux in here, and then we'll continue to let the roux cook.
Okay.
Because we're gonna let the roux cook and let it come to a boil before we drop all of our meats in.
Oh, so once those both go in here, it's gonna start boiling, and then we start dropping that.
Right.
Okay.
And so because it's important for your roux to cook all the way through. What we did over here earlier today, we browned flour. We put all the Trinity in there, got all the seasonings in there, but we have extra seasoning just in case we need some more.
Yeah. Okay.
So this is the beginning of it right here.
Okay.
So now what we're going to do now is start dropping the roux up in here.
Okay.
Make sure that we stir each one of them up, and then we just drop them in. Here you go, you can take the first one.
Okay. All right, let's drop this first one in there.
It's okay, it's all right. While it's cooking, you want to keep it stirred up.
Okay.
That way, the way you're stirring it now, it keeps everything stirred in there together, so that you have some consistency in the flavor.
All right. Yeah, we mixing for real. Look at this, y'all.
But now, the only part I don't do is the rice. So we let your granny do the rice. So while this is cooking, we'll get to a point where we'll tell her to come and do the rice, and then we'll be ready to have dinner.
Okay. Cool.
You want to put the rice in the rice cooker.
All right. All right. Get all that rice up there.
Pop it to warm.
Okay, now we're ready to put the sausage in first.
Okay. All right.
Ooh! Just told you, be careful.
Oh my God.
Now watch how I do it. See how I'm setting it down in there slowly?
Yeah. Jesus. My skin red, y'all. Oh my God.
See how easy that was?
Yeah.
See, you can't do it fast.
Yeah, you let me suffer.
but you learn from the suffering part though.
I know not to do that anymore.
Okay. Now put your chicken in.
Chicken.
I know you can do it this time.
Yeah.
Set it down there close to the water. Just hold the bottom of it.
All right.
There you go. Now grab the other part of the bottom. Yeah, you got to set them in there.
Okay.
So when you take a handful, just set it close to the water, then let it go, then it won't splash.
All right. Whew. All right. Let's get those in there. Chef Tricky out here, man. For real. They done got serious from the days I was cooking at Tia House.
You know that juice right there?
Yeah.
Pull that in there.
Oh, pull that?
Yeah, pull that.
Okay,
That's important.
We pulling a little juice in there. Let's do it. All right.
Now you want to mix it all up.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Y'all want to see this? How this looking, y'all? Or what? This is looking mighty fine. Look at this, y'all. Come on now. Come on now. Who really doing it like me? Nobody. This is really how you do it, though. Leave it a little open?
Yeah.
Like that?
There you go.
Cool.
That's it. Now at this point right here, you need to cook for about another 20 to 30 minutes. By that time, everything will be cooked together. But every 5 to 10 minutes, we'll go up there and stir it so it stay consistent all the way around while it's cooking everything.
All right.
Then once, in about 30, no more than 30 minutes, this pot will be ready.
Okay.
And we'll let it cool and then we'll eat it.
All right.
Okay?
For sure. We got that going. We got the rice over there going. You know what I'm saying? We going. We'll see y'all in a second, man. All right, this done cooking now. Let's turn this off. And so you can't, when you making gumbo, you can't keep it on the stove because it'll like kind of spoil. So yeah, let's take it off. We got the rice right here as well, as y'all can see. Good rice going. So yeah, we gonna let this cool off a little bit. And yeah, I'll see y'all when we're about to start eating it. Okay. All right, y'all. She finna make the plates now.
I'm making mine. Y'all making y'all own.
Oh wow! All right. All right.
All right.
Let's go to this gumbo, y'all. Oh yeah, that's him.
Get plenty of the juice. See the juice?
Oh yeah.
All the good stuff, the shrimp and the crab at the bottom. Okay, that's good enough for me.
All right, that's a nice plate. Okay, let's see you get yours.
Start playing around and stuff.
Let's see that plate.
I don't want any crab in mine.
No crab.
No crab. It's too much work to eat it.
I'm not a big fan of crab either. Let's get this rice going first. I ain't gonna get too much rice. Just a little nice chunk of it. Yes, sir. Let's try this real quick. All right, y'all. Let's test this out real quick. You already? Oh, you ain't eating on yet?
That's it. Waiting on y'all.
All right, hold on.
Yeah.
Make sure y'all say our prayers, man.
It's extra hot.
Good?
Oh yeah. Full of flavor. Full of flavor. You know what I'm saying? We finna eat right now. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Like the video for some more cooking. And yeah. We'll see y'all next video.